Breaking news or breaking a hip. Quick, cue the music for Hail to the Chief. The Democratic representative who they wanted to be president can't walk down the stinking stairs without having two men carry her and help her. And without woman about wanting gun control, but hires men with guns to follow her around and protect her. You stupid citizens can't have guns, but the rich politicians who want the guns always have guns around them. Let's watch old Hillary here walking down the steps. La, 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 la. Oops. Oh. A bird must have pooped there. Oh, look out. There's a grain of rice right there. You're going to hit that. Oh, Jesus Christ, you missed the grain. What the? You can't even walk down the stairs? Are you freaking kidding me? This is the president of the United States if liberals had their way. Unstinking believable. All right, there's some comedy relief. This video was not intended to offend anybody on the liberal left-wing safe space side. Please cover your ears and eyes for your own protection so government can keep you safe. Well, isn't that there?